Will Prince Harry lose his visa and be forced out of the United States? As a legal storm brews, new documents that could change the game are about to emerge. Judge Carl Nichols is set to pull back the curtain by releasing 3 hidden papers on Harry's visa status. These files are expected to show how the Duke of Sussex got his visa even after admitting drug use, a fact sparking heated debate. With revelations looming, one wonders what surprises lie ahead. Let's break down the story. Trouble began 5 years ago when the Duke moved to America with his wife, Meghan Markle. In 2023, his memoir Spare made headlines when he admitted using drugs like cocaine, marijuana, magic mushrooms, and ayahuasca. U.S. visa forms ask if applicants have abused drugs, prompting questions about what Harry wrote. Insiders say he was honest, but critics argue that his truthfulness may have earned him a special waiver or even extra treatment from the current administration. With doubts swirling, what hidden truth might his paperwork hold? Now, what is this court case about? A long-running civil case is unfolding at the U.S. District Court in Washington, D.C. The legal battle began when the Heritage Foundation, a noted think tank, made a Freedom of Information Act request to reveal Harry's immigration file. When the request was denied, the foundation took the U.S. Department of Homeland Security to court to obtain the records. Note that Harry is not directly involved in this fight. After many rounds of back and forth, Judge Nichols ruled in September that the documents did not warrant public release. But after further appeals last month, he agreed to release redacted versions of 3 documents while keeping a 4th hidden. The judge insisted on maximum disclosure without violating Harry's privacy, directing DHS lawyers to remove sensitive details before submitting the papers. What twist will these redacted files uncover? Could Donald Trump be part of this drama by pushing for Harry's deportation? Last year, Trump hinted that such a move might be possible. In a televised interview, when Nigel Farage asked if Harry should get special privileges if he was untruthful, Trump replied with a mix of skepticism and humor. He mentioned that if hidden facts about the drugs surfaced and if Harry had lied, then the right steps would follow. Farage even suggested that appropriate action might mean Harry would lose his place in America. In his usual style, Trump teased that perhaps someone else should explain, noting that these issues might have been uncovered long ago. A few months later, he said he had no plans to interfere, joking about the problems Harry already faces at home. Could these political jabs turn into real legal moves? The debate between legal options and political banter continues to capture public attention. Finally, what type of visa does Harry hold? Some immigration experts have hinted that he might have a rare A1 head of state visa. This visa means that U.S. authorities may not have checked his past drug use when he first arrived. The A1 head of state visa, usually reserved for royals and heads of state, differs from the regular A1 visa used by senior diplomats. While diplomats come to work for their country in the U.S., a head of state visa lets one travel without work ties. If Harry holds this special visa, he could keep it as long as he stays in line for the throne. Each time he enters the United States, he would receive a duration of status, allowing him to stay indefinitely. It remains unclear if the soon-to-be-released documents will verify his visa type. For now, Harry's team has chosen to remain silent. Will these documents finally set the record straight? Analysts point out that this unique visa status could be a game-changer in how his case is viewed, leaving both fans and critics in suspense as the mystery steadily deepens. Meanwhile, observers across the nation wait with bated breath, as each new document deepens the mystery and raises even more urgent questions about the Duke's future. Stay tuned for more twists. The saga is far from over indeed.